G'day guys, my name's Miles.
And my name is Fez.
And this is The Commodity, and today we are reacting to Northern Beaches, Sydney, New South Wales, Australia 4K drone. This video was requested to us by Steel Fabric. Thank you, Steel Fabric. I saw you had suggested this last month and this month. I didn't see that until just now, but thank you very much. We truly appreciate it. We were just talking about in our last video with the it was our Ramadan video, that we get so many of the same suggestors, and it's awesome when we start getting new suggestions from new people.
We appreciate it.
Yeah, so we truly do appreciate it. If you have any more suggestions that you want us to check out, throw them down in our Discord. And guys, if you're not in our Discord, hop in and throw your video suggestions in there. Guys, before we hop into this video, if you would, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. It truly helps us out in getting these videos out to more people. Also, if you would, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. That way you guys can stay informed on our future videos. And if you'd like to help support the channel even more and get an exclusive YouTube short shout out.
Exclusive.
That's right. Click that join button down below. I'll say it this last time, we've updated our merch. It's down below this video if you guys want to go check out the shirts, hats, hoodies, etc. Hop down there after this video.
Let's do it. We've seen that before.
Yeah, and I'd love to go swimming there. Surfing seems so scary though.
Huh?
Surfing seems really scary.
Like, I don't have actually any want to learn.
I do. Like, it seems so free. That's awesome.
That is super dope. That's ridiculous. Is that? Oh,
It's a sea lion.
I was like, I thought it lost its like.
Or is that's a sea lion?
That's a sea lion. Yeah. I thought it was like special ed or something.
like all of these are.
I thought it was a dolphin. I looked over. I was like, oh, he's like a special guy, you know?
No, but he's going to play with them. That's cool. Little pup. Look at that whale.
Humpback. I actually learned a lot about humpbacks in school one year.
Is that another pool? Or the same pool?
Dang, bro, that's ridiculous. They just have a pool right there.
Look how
I wonder if it's
gorgeous.
just like from the ocean, though.
Is that a golf course? That's a golf course.
That's some real green grass.
There's no way that's not a golf course.
I wonder if that's part of like a tour. Like
It's gotta be.
Like the Australian Open or something like that.
Let us know in the comments. Because this is definitely
that's
a golf
insane.
course.
That would be awesome.
Yeah.
I bet you it's expensive as hell to play there.
That would be fun.
I do have my clubs in my car.
Do you?
Yep, I got them from Tanya.
I haven't played golf in years. See, I'd mess up terribly doing that probably. I'd go over the hills.
Hey. I was gonna say, I thought they just used like open water. I guess you got to get out there somehow.
This is a gorgeous beach.
This is insane. My mom would die to see that.
She wouldn't see it then.
That's fair. She has this thing, this affinity for lighthouses. She traveled to the New England area just for lighthouses.
So I would imagine this is public.
Yeah, typically lighthouses are public, but you're not allowed to like go visit the house. Or
right,
whatever.
right. But just picture this view that we're viewing right now, but from that point of view.
I kind of like this point of view better.
This is probably a cooler point of view.
Just like think about it, you're higher up.
Yeah.
You got more of a view.
But being there, this
Look
is
at
gorgeous.
that. Oh my gosh. Bro.
And you just see Kong come out from nowhere.
Look at that. That's like, oh my God.
Look at all those rich people.
Yeah. It's like, it makes White Rock Lake just look so puny. I bet you they don't even allow motorboats in those areas.
This is such a serene video.
I love humpback whales.
This was a very well put together drone video mixed with underwater. Oh, wow.
Hello, friend.
What is that?
It looks like a squid of sorts.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it also doesn't really look like a squid of sorts.
Yeah.
It looks like a little dude smiling at us right now.
Oh, it's a, what's it called? It's a fish.
Oh, it's tagged. Go back.
Oh, the turtle? Yeah.
He's got a tag on him.
He looks pissed.
Get away from here.
I think that looks like a 42 Wallaby Way. Sydney.
Do you know what's really bad? Is I was like, should I ask if that's a real street in Australia anywhere?
42 Wallaby Way, Sydney.
But I was like, it sounds too like annoying, like the shrimp on the Barbie thing.
Right.
Like, so I wasn't going to say anything, but I mean, you said it. I was literally thinking
Were
it
you
like,
just thinking that?
Yeah, like literally. And I was like, no, I might wait till the end. No, I'm not going to do it. But down in the comments, is there an actual Wallaby Way in Sydney? I feel bad.
So this next scene right here, that bird was definitely edited into that.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was too perfect of a bird.
Yeah, no bird is gonna be that close
Like,
to
look at this bird. Tell me that's not.
Oh
just,
no, you can see the lighting isn't even accurate.
It might have been real and just super edited.
No. The lighting was way off.
That is gorgeous.
That is dope.
Like,
I wonder where the person.
How do you get? Obviously, you can get to it. You just have to hike to it. So
actually, they might get to it through water.
Yeah, but I mean, it's got to be maintained right here.
That's what I'm saying. They might be able to get, if a boat comes up to the front, there might be steps over there that get you up to the...
I don't know, but that's really beautiful. The fact that it's right there in the middle of nothing.
Well, that's usually what the point is.
Exactly.
Because if it wouldn't make much sense, like, at the edge of the city.
It'd still be cool.
Yeah, but
not as cool.
That was awesome.
Yeah. And then you've got the city in the background.
That was awesome. I want to know what drone he's using.
You might have it in the comments. And guys, if you liked this video, go check out Terry's films. Let's see. DJI Mavic Air 2 drone. Color graded using the film poets. Where does it say that?
Right after Air 2 drone.
Oh, so he didn't take all these videos.
Oh, he just put them together.
Yeah. If he's saying plus other unknown drones, or maybe his friends that fly drones or something like that.
Yeah, possibly.
But this was very, very well put together. Very, very engaging and serene video. And with that being said, again, if you guys enjoyed this video and want to go check out Terry's films, he's got another video.
And he needs to get back on it.
Manly and Manly Beach in Sydney.
If these are his actual videos, he needs to get back to it because that is pretty good.
Yeah, 100%. So Terry, if you're watching, thank you for producing amazing content.
Absolutely. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you want to see our future videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. And if you want to support us directly, hit that join button. And of course, merch below the video. And with that being said,
my name's Miles.
My name is Fez.
Thanks for watching, mates.
Peace
out.